bountiful plants to start growing in January. Planning a spring garden is a welcome relief from the month extended vacation after effect and is a superb method to start the year once more. All things considered, your spring garden truly begins with planting in the early months of the new year. For open-air gardening, planting can start as ahead of schedule as of January. While colder atmospheres with chilly temperatures should stand by out the last significant ices until late winter, it's better for hotter atmospheres to get a head start. Pick moderate germinating perennials, cold-tolerant annuals, and landscaping growth for January planting. No. 1. Amaryllis. Potted Amaryllis is the ideal fly of shading required in dull winters, and they climate wonderfully indoors or in a nursery during the colder months. Depending on your atmosphere and the assortment, Amaryllis will blossom roughly 5 to about 2 months subsequent to planting, so these do take a touch of persistence to develop. No. 2. Hellebore. Hellebore is a simple to develop, bright lasting that will really sprout in winter, and it glances phenomenal in plants. Assortments range from green and white to mauve, blood red, and even dull purple. Florid Farms suggests planting them in rich, natural soil and placing them as outskirts around bushes and trees. No. 3. Beans and peas. Peas, for example, snap, day off, English peas are durable and can deal with most chilly temperatures. Fava beans are another incredible solid alternative that can be planted in January. No. 4. Narcissus. Paperwhite Narcissus is a religion exemplary among gardeners and flower specialists the same. They are another blossom to bring indoors or in a nursery for the winter a long time to drive sprouts early. These can be filled in a bulb jar to show establishes or potted in a grower. No. 5. Greens. Greens, for example, lettuce, chard, and arugula can be planted all through the winter. However, make a point to investigate which best suits your atmosphere during chilly climate months. No. 6. Snowdrops. Snowdrops are perhaps the hardiest blossom around, producing buds when snow covers the ground. They are little, sensitive plants that look beautiful planted in bundles to make fringes. No. 7. Asparagus. Asparagus pinnacle season is late winter, so plant them toward the beginning of January for the best outcomes. The foundations of asparagus are exceptionally delicate, so try to keep the bed liberated from weeds and sharp digging tools. No. 8. Daffodils. Wishing spring would come early? Daffodils are another incredible bulb to plant indoors and will add a fly of shading to the dining table when the climate is melancholy. No. 9. Peonies. Peonies are frequently planted in late fall, however, those living in hotter atmospheres that infrequently experience significant ices can plant them in winter. No. 10. Kale. Sturdier assortments of kale, similar to White Russian, can be planted in M.